In this video, I'll show you how to use PancakeSwap farming. PancakeSwap farming allows users to deposit liquidity pool tokens and earn rewards. In simple terms, you first add liquidity to a trading pair, then you stake the liquidity tokens in a farm to earn extra rewards. First, open your crypto wallet, such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Binance Web3 wallet. Make sure your wallet is connected to the correct network, such as BNB Smart Chain, and make sure you have some BNB available for network fees. Next, open the official PancakeSwap website. Always double-check the website before connecting your wallet, because fake DeFi websites can steal your funds. Once PancakeSwap opens, click Connect Wallet and approve the connection from your wallet. Before you can farm, you usually need to add liquidity first. Go to the liquidity section and choose the token pair you want to provide, such as BNB and Cake, or another available pair. You will need both tokens in the correct ratio. Enter the amount you want to add, review the pool details, then approve and confirm the liquidity transaction in your wallet. After this, you should receive liquidity pool tokens, often called LP tokens. These represent your share of the pool. Now go to the Farms section on PancakeSwap. Search for the farm that matches your LP token pair. For example, if you added liquidity to a BNB and Cake pair, look for the matching BNB-CAKE farm. Click Enable or Approve if needed, then confirm the approval in your wallet. After approval, click Stake LP or Deposit. Enter the amount of LP tokens you want to farm and confirm the transaction. Once your LP tokens are staked, you can monitor your farming position, pending rewards, and estimated return. You may be able to harvest rewards later by clicking Harvest or Claim, depending on the farm. Before farming, understand the risks. Liquidity pools can lose value because of impermanent loss, token price changes, low liquidity, or smart contract risk. High rewards can also come with higher risk. To exit, return to the farm, unstake your LP tokens, then go back to the liquidity section and remove liquidity. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.